This is the easy way up. Yeah. There we go. Woo. Woo. All right. Going up. To work. The easy way. Piece of shit out climbing it. And then I'm gonna go up, over, and drop in. There's the first one. And there's the first sector. Then the second one. And we're on the top. Actually, fourth one up. I'm gonna go right there. All right. She's gonna keep me going up because I want out of this RF zone. I'm gonna go right in there. It's a perfect spot to enter. There, right there's my gate spot. I'm just gonna hop out over this little bit. There. All right. Hold that. All right, you can boom to your left now and get me a little closer here. Boom left. Hold that. All right, you can hold that. Boom down now, and that'll put me in a perfect spot to get through this opening here. Just boom down from there. Make sure you don't crash into this damn thing. Right. Hang on a little more. I want to boom down. Boom down a little more. Boom me down. I'm gonna crawl right in that son of a bitch. Hold that. Okay, you can cable down real slow. Have him cable down here. Go. Right onto that platform. Hold up, hold up. Okay, come up. Cable up. There you go. We were just caught for just a second. We're fine. We're fine. Okay, you can cable down now. Well, I got caught on that pipe. I'm gonna bring this son of a bitch down. So make sure you don't get caught on it when it's coming down, or else you can rip this whole son of a bitch right the fuck down. That, watching for everything. All right, let's hold that right there. That's perfect. Stand by. All right, now we're gonna get the hell out of this thing. We're gonna go to work. And I'm going right for that sucker over there.